Do you want your resume to look not just good but premium? Today, I'm going to unlock all the typography and formatting secrets that professional designers use, and we'll create a minimalist layout right in Google Docs. This will only take 5 minutes. And of course, a bonus awaits you at the end of the video. You'll find out how to get this exact template for free and start using it today. So let's not waste any time and get started. Alright, let's go. Head to the File menu, then Page Setup. In Margins, set top to 0, bottom also 0. Left and right, we set to 0.5, maximum workspace. For paper size, we choose letter. Hit OK. Now let's pick the perfect font. Go to More Fonts, type Open in the search. There it is, our favorite. Check the box, connect it, press Done. Now activate it, Open Sans Normal. Click just below. Here we explode the size, 36 point. Type the name, for example, Nolan Pierce. Line spacing we set to 1.15. Attention. Next, 14-point font, type the desired position. Mine is Sales Specialist. Highlight style medium. But for the name, let's take semi-bold. Whoa, now that's powerful. Now 11-point size. This is our base for the main body text. Hit Insert horizontal line. Just below, 13-point font, type Summary. Again 11-point and paste the prepared text. Pro tip. It's better to write this in advance. Font Open Sans, style normal. Go to Styles and click Update Normal Text to match. Style locked in. Now for spacing. Highlight Summary. Go to Line Paragraph Spacing, then Custom Spacing. In the After field, I put our Essential 12. Okay, look how cool this is. The correct typographic indent has appeared. Next, we update this style, and we do the exact same for heading 2. Base complete. Let's insert another line. I want to slightly adjust the top indent. Pull the slider slightly to the left, and here the same thing. Pull the triangle guide down on the top ruler. Let's create the magic. Table. Options 3 columns. We remove the extra indent with backspace. Click 3 dots, Table Options, Column tab. Column width we fix at 2.4. This is the perfect value for our layout. The second column is 0.4. Highlight everything. Close the tab. Go to Cell. Padding set to 0. Row tab, minimum height we set to 6 inches. Super, it looks clean and even. Now the borders. Go to Color, Table Border, 0 point. We hide them. Now watch this trick. Highlight only the left line. Border width we set to 1 point. There is our secret. The table is formed. Copy summary. Change to contacts. Enter. Paste the data. If it turns into a blue link, click it and remove link. In a resume, links are unnecessary. Adding the rest. Let's add some style. Icons. Link to this pack is in the description. Insert, image, upload. Select the icon. Click on it. Go to Image Options, Size, and Rotation. The checkbox must be active. We set the size to 0.16. Align with the spacebar and the rest as well. Select the icon same way. Click Set to 0.17 or 0.12. Use the arrow keys for jeweler precision. Copy the heading, type Education. I create space. Press Enter for air between sections. Type the text. Open Sans semi-bold. Perfect. Copy the block. I step down, enter, change to core skills. Paste the list of skills. The main section, Professional Experience. Maximum attention here. Copy the section so I don't type it again. Paste the text without formatting. copy, paste my data. We highlight the dates, remove the bolding to normal. Let's create bullets. Highlight the text, click bullet list on top, move it slightly left on the ruler. Ideal. Press enter. A new bullet appears automatically. Scroll down, paste the remaining text. All done. I switch the zoom to 75% to take a look at the layout from a distance. Everything looks clean, balanced, and easy to read. Now for the final step, saving the file. I always recommend naming your resume using your name plus the position. It helps recruiters instantly understand who you are and what role you're applying for. And now let me show you which format to use when saving. I go to File, Download, and select PDF. It's the most reliable option and keeps the formatting intact. If you want to print it right away, you can also choose Print from the same menu and set up your printer preferences. And that's it. Your resume is fully ready to go. If this video helped you even a little, feel free to drop a like. It really supports the channel. And if you want more clean, professional design tutorials like this one, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next breakdown. Everything I used in this video, the template, the icons, all the resources, is available in the description below, and you can download it all completely free. I've also added a link to my Etsy shop where you'll find high-quality premium templates for resumes and other documents. And if you want to connect, collaborate, or ask a question, my LinkedIn is down there as well. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.